Hi everyone, welcome to our video. I am Dini Nurhayati and today I am joined by my friends.
Hi, I'm Sintabella.
Hi there, I am Nazla Bunga Kaila.
And I am Isnaini Saputri Sihab. Glad to be here.
In this video, we are going to have a conversation about a very important topic. Well, we'll be discussing the recent flash floods in Sumatra and how our environment is changing.
We will also talk about why conservation is so necessary and how renewable energy might be our best shot for the future.
A thought is a serious topic. We believe it's something everyone should be aware of.
So let's jump straight into our discussion. Check it out.
Guys, do you remember the flash flood in Sumatra that had happened by November 25, 2025?
Oh, definitely. That was seriously the most frightening disaster I have ever seen.
It's crazy. How many houses were destroyed in just a split second?
Right, this should be declared a national disaster.
Well, it had rained non-stop before the flood actually hit.
Yeah, the weather is just so unpredictable these days.
It might be linked to climate change. However, the condition of our natural environment is a huge factor too.
True. In addition, the impact on wildlife is just heartbreaking because they're losing their homes.
If we had protected the forest, so many living creatures would not have lost their habitat.
Actually, I wish people had realized the risk of taking natural resources without any control.
That's why we must take conservation seriously to save our ecosystem.
For sure, so many trees were cut down until the hills were barren. Consequently, all those logs were washed away during the flood in Padang.
Besides that, we have to start thinking about our energy.
You mean using more eco-friendly energy?
Yeah, experts believe that the renewable energy is the best way for the future.
Like using plenty of solar panels, right?
Or hardy power, although it's a big shift, is definitely worth it.
We could even use wind turbine.
At least it will reduce pollution and help with reforestation.
And it is going to help mitigate climate change in the long run.
We should be more careful about nature because it is certain that environmental damage had increased before the disaster happened.
It is important that some small action from use will make a big difference in the future.
We must start protecting the environment now so that fewer disasters can be prevented.
If humans had protected nature earlier, many disasters would not have happened again.
Well, the conclusion our discussion for today is clear that we need to take better care of our planet before it's too late.
Actually, we should remember that our action today will affect the future of our ecosystem.
And don't forget using renewable energy is one of the best ways to reduce pollution. Although it's a big challenge, we can start with small steps.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, where we are going to post more content about environmental awareness soon.
Thank you so much for watching. I am Dini Nurhayati.
I'm Sinta Bella.
I am Nazila Bunga Khaila.
And I am Miss Naini Saputra Shihab. See you in the next video.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Stay green.
Thanks.